So for number 8, the employees finished the project on time, blank the lack of resources. Is it A, despite, B, respite, C, in spite, or D, except? Again, for number 8, the employees finished the project on time, blank the lack of resources. Is it A, despite, B, respite, C, in spite, or D, except? Oh, A. Edwin, Joris, John, Cherry, Erwan, John Lack. Mala ngayon si Tabula Rasa na to si John Lack. Josephine, Jane, Janet, Ruby, Mara, Mira, Hilda, Vivian. Letter A, despite. Nag-agree na po ba tayong lahat na it's letter A? A po, coach. Okay. Let's reveal the answer. Diba? Contradiction kasi ito eh. Finish the project, tapos lack of resources. So definitely it's A is the correct answer. Diba? The sentence, the statement, it shows contrast, no? Yung nagsucceed sila, even though they lack resources. We all know naman that when we say despite, regardless of difficulties, right? So with our structure for this one, despite plus noun. Despite the lack of resources. Let's say, meron ditong i-roll out na natin yung respite sa kanyang expect. What if meron ditong in spite of? Sige, pag may in spite of dyan. Despite pa rin ba yung magiging sagot? The employees finished the project on time. Blank the lack of resources. Tama kayo. Definitely for number 8, the correct answer is letter A, despite of. Kaya lang, we have letter C dito, in spite. Kaya lang, it lacks of. In spite of. Paano kung may in spite of dyan? Ay, coach, pareho na silang sagot. Very good. Kasi we all know naman, despite and in spite of, synonymous with each other sila. Pareho sila. But remember ha, sa standardized test, usually, ang ine-expect natin, ang hinahanap natin na sagot, yung more concise and direct answer. Even though both of them expresses the same meaning, yung despite saka in spite of, we follow yung concise. And in this case, despite yon. Again ha, ang pino-point out ko lang, itong in spite of, itong in spite kasi walang off. Kaya hindi natin siya pinili. Pero if given a chance na in spite of siya, pwedeng siya rin ang sagot kasi pareho siya ng meaning ng despite. Kaya lang kung let's say sa choices, pareho sila, hindi naman po pwedeng piliin natin dalawa. Ano lang yung kailangan nating piliin? Yung concise and direct answer. So for number 8, it's despite pa rin. Okay, very good, sabi ni Erwin.